Hello, Phil. This is Carolyn with Peachtree City SEO and Digital Marketing Agency. It was great speaking with you on the phone earlier this week. Here's a video I recorded for you that shows 3 tips you can do today to set your company above your competition and bring more customers to your business. The 3 things we're going to speak about are content, citations, and backlink. Content is basically anything that you see on your website, including pictures, keywords, meta descriptions, and picture tags that are relevant to your business. So why is this important? Google uses robots and spiders that crawl the web 24/7, reading all this content on your site. Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. This tells Google what you should be found for, depending on competition and number of keywords needed. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google search looking for a particular service or product. Meta descriptions, picture tags, means to save the image as a keyword. This gives you points with Google. For example, keywords like general contractor in Peachtree City, Georgia, and Peachtree City, Georgia general contractors are keywords you want to include in your content so that Google can tell searchers that you do exist. Google also searches behind pictures. For example, if I right-click on this picture here to go save image as you can see, it comes up with a number. This should be saved with a keyword that you would like others to find you for. So all your images should be saved with a targeted keyword that drives traffic to your site. We can definitely see, looking at your home page, that we need to add more content to this page to bring it up to at least 1,500 words and save the images as targeted keywords that help searchers to find you for your services. The more unique, relevant, high-quality, authoritative content you have, the more likely Google's going to rank you higher in the search results when people are searching for businesses like yours. So what I did, I went into Google, and I typed in general contractors, Peachtree City. And most times that's what people would put in when they're looking for general contractors. And your number 1 competitor is Major Construction. They're listed in the map pack. You're also in the map pack, but you are below here. Right here. Okay, so let's take a look at your top competitor to see what they have that you can make changes to and upgrade or beat your competitor and get up in the top position. So this is their homepage. They too are missing the 1,500 words that Google generally look for. So there has to be something else that's driving traffic to their website to give them this position. But let's take a look at what else their about page. Lots of pictures. Let's see if the pictures are saved as a number. So those are things that are definitely important that you would want to add. All right, so going back to Google. When anyone searches in Google, the first thing we normally see are guaranteed ads. And for some reason, these are showing up at the bottom. Most people seldom click on ads. In fact, with certain ad blockers that people put in their browsers, they don't even see these ads. You'll be missing out on your market if you're just focusing on ads. Now, the second thing we're going to speak about are citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack area here, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Getting listed in directories like House, Yelp, Home Advisor, and hundreds of others are extremely important for local businesses, including social media accounts, and these will also get you in the map app section here. The whole idea is that your brand to be found is for your brand to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. And the last thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. Backlinks are other websites with links that are most relevant to your industry, linking back to your website and helping you to get ranked for those keywords and phrases. This process drives traffic back to your business. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, you will start to outgo your competitors. Now, to further analyze how your business ranks, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is just a tool that gives us a quick idea of what's happening behind the scenes. So let's take a look at yours. This is your results. The UR is the trust factor showing how much Google trusts your website, whereas the DR is the power rating and how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. This gives an idea of where you're ranking in the Google search. So we need to raise this UR and DR numbers as high as possible. So looking at your results, we see that you have 99 backlinks coming from 34 referring websites or domains. Remember, backlinks are other websites referring businesses to you. Now let's take a look at your competitor, who is Major Construction, and what does his look like. Now his UR is 4.0 and his DR, which is his power rating, is 4. His UR is 40 and his DR is 4.4. Now his backlinks are 4,920. So it means that he's getting 4,920 backlinks coming from 203 referring domains with 55 organic words. Now, all links are not created equal. He has 55 organic words and you have 139, but his power is coming from the referring domains. So let's take a look at the referring domains and see what's driving his. These are his referring domains. Okay. Let's take a look at his backlinks. That's giving him a lot of power also. These are his backlinks. These are the sites that are driving traffic back to him. For example, General Contractors in Peachtree City, Yellow Pages. So he has several sites that are pushing back here. Home Builders, Peachtree City, Georgia. He has his, so that's what's driving his force, and that is also available to you. You can have your website built up to have that power and actually outrank him. So the overall goal is, 1, to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with organic keywords embedded throughout your website, and meta description pictures. Number 2, citations, and you gain citations by being listed in several directories. And 3, a strong source of backlinks driving traffic back to your website. As we notice here, competitor has a strong source of backlinks driving back to his website. So definitely you need to increase that there. Well, I hope this free audit video has been informative. Please feel free to use these tips for yourself or give them to your marketing team if you need to. Or if you'd like to see how Peachtree City SEO and digital marketing can help you grow your business, please leave me a review and give me a call. Thank you so much for watching.